Hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel for this week's safety recap. Before we get started, make sure that you give me a thumbs up down below here to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel where you will find additional videos of this nature, other safety related videos, and leadership training videos. Well, let's go ahead and get started with the recap. Man, I was really impressed with the jobs I had the opportunity to visit this past week. The field leadership was super excited about the OSHA 30 classes they are taking. Each one attending the meeting expressed enthusiasm about what they were learning. The disconnect between what they were experiencing in the field was narrowed by learning what OSHA is all about. I could feel a higher level of excitement and professionalism amongst them, reflected in their attitudes toward safety and the levels of production, and I share in that excitement. As a safety professional, I did take note of a few things that need to be discussed, but first, I would like to say a few words about staying on track. As we bask in the glow of our new knowledge about who and what OSHA is, it's easy to have and maintain a good attitude about safety. But what about after the glow? Now the true work begins. OSHA training is just the beginning of our journey to success in the construction industry. We must maintain and gain in our knowledge about our work and safety. The old saying is, if you're not green and growing, you're ripe and rotten. Always maintain a focus on broadening your skill sets in every aspect of your work life. Will you always be told, good job? No. Then character comes into play. And character is how you behave and what you do when no one is watching. Always strive to do the right thing. Share your knowledge, training, and experience with those around you, and they will surely reciprocate. And this camaraderie will keep you on the right track. The track to your personal and business success. One final thought. I want you to always remember your reputation, be it good or bad, will always precede you, and you are the only one responsible for your reputation. On with the recap. Let's talk about the PTP. The PTP is the most important tool on the job site. Do it first, do it thoroughly, and share it completely with your team. Involve your team with the process. It gives them a sense of ownership. And always remember, the piece of paper you're writing the information on will not save your life, but the focus you're placing on your work will. Let's talk about first aid kits. The first aid kit is of little value several hundred yards away stowed in your truck. Keep the first aid kit in a central location where work is being performed with easy access to those who may need it. Check the kit regularly to ensure it's properly stocked. Let's talk about ground fault circuit interrupters, GFCIs. Good job with the GFCIs this week, but remember, the GFCI is to be installed at the power source. Along with GFCIs, let's talk about power cords. Protect your power cords from damage, either it be from equipment or pinch points in doorways. Let's talk about ladders. Ladders are to be inspected prior to use. And for a ladder to be properly inspected and pass, the labels must be visible and legible. Replacement labels are available. And now let's talk about dust control. Silica will continue to be a topic of concern. I just want to say that several of the jobs I visited this week were doing an excellent job of dust control. It was a proud moment for me to realize the seriousness of dust is finally taking hold among our team members. Good job. Continue to strive for excellence. All right, boys and girls, that's it for this week's safety recap. Thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you give me a thumbs up down below here to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel where you will find additional videos of this nature, toolbox safety topic videos, and leadership training videos. And until we see each other again, take care of yourself because you're number one. Look out for your co-workers and help ensure their safety. Have a grateful day, and remember, I will see you in the field. Okay, 11%. All right, let's go ahead and get this thing started. Put this mic a little closer. Whoop. All right, let's get this party started. Each one attended the meeting. I could feel a higher level of excitement and professionalism amongst them, and it was reflected in their work attitudes and safety. I could feel a higher level of excitement and professionalism amongst them that reflected in their attitudes towards safety and the levels of production. One more time. Let's talk about first aid kits. The first aid kit is of little value. Let's talk about ladders. Ladders are to be inspected prior to use. For a ladder, ladders are to be inspected All right. I had a few bumbles in there, but I think I can edit them out. It's getting kind of late. I hope I can edit them out because I don't want to do a second cut. All right. Thanks for watching.